As you can see, I am out in the water again today. You could do that way. Beautiful, I love it. Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Now if you missed the memo, I am back in my home state of Queensland, so I am absolutely making the most of the beautiful weather over here. So as you can see, I am out in the water again today, but even more so, I've got a very special guest. So it teed up so perfectly for me to be able to come out on the boat with Amy. She is such an inspiration. If you guys aren't already following her on every single social platform, including YouTube and Instagram, go and search up Fish Huntress Amy. Her content is incredible, and she is probably, I'm gonna say hands down, the best fisherwoman. Look, no pressure today at all, but we're gonna try our luck for some fishing. We're gonna go and explore some of the islands, and yeah, it's just gonna be an incredible day. So the pressure is definitely on. We've been at it for about 30 minutes. No luck just yet, but we're gonna give it a try for another 30 minutes. Apparently if I don't catch something, I'm not allowed back on the boat. So fingers crossed. Let's all cross our fingers that we can catch something. We had no luck on the fishing side of things, but we have literally stopped off at this beautiful island. The sand is so white and the water is so blue, so we really cannot complain. We're going to enjoy this space here for a little bit, throw the drone up and just enjoy what little time we've got left for today. We were just talking about how incredible this spot would be to camp at. I feel like this would be well worth getting a permit for, or maybe, I don't know, probably couldn't do a sneaky little camp here, but oh my god, this is just stunning. we have had such a beautiful time on the beach, and look, even though we didn't catch a fish, I'm still really stoked to not only have met Amy, but just be able to get out and enjoy this beautiful place. So I'm going to close off this video here. We are definitely planning a part 2, so we do have to come back out and give it a go, see if we can catch anything again in future. But as always guys, thank you so much for following along. If you're not already, make sure you hit subscribe on both Amy and myself. The support goes a very long way, and we'll see you guys all in the next video.
I feel like you could do that way.
How not to get in the boat.
Beautiful, I love it. So graceful.
Just take 2 was better.
Thank you.